let's create the content uh, part in our MOOC course. So for this, again, if you are not on this page, then go to content and outline, and you will be here. So to change the setting, you will have to click on settings, schedule and details, and to upload your content, you will have to click on content outline. Here you will have to create your first section. For example, in our FDP, you will find that we write in most of the FDPs, our FDPs, we write here day one or day two. You can put some other things, like for example, the broad unit name or the main topic. Okay, so you can write like uh, introduction to computers. Okay, so this is going to be our section name, and you can add subsections, or you can call it as subs subtopics. Okay, so click on new subsection, and let me write generation of computers, or maybe definition of computer, or history of computer, whatever you want to write, history of computers. Okay, so this is my main section, and this is subsection, and you can add contents in subsection part only. uh, and you can also change the dates. So like if you click on configure, this configure button, you can change, like you want that this section should appear on 7th. Okay, so I've changed it, so this will start from 7th June rather than 6th June. You can change the timing also. So for example, if you want it to be late, then this is in UTC, not Indian timing. So you can see that the lecture section is scheduled uh, at June 7/21 at 5 UTC, so scheduled. And if you change it to like earlier time, or then it will say release, that means the content is live now. Okay, so for now, let's keep it as this released only. Okay, history of computer. Now you can add content here. So click on new unit. Okay, I hope you are this is clear. Like the section, you cannot add any content act in the section. The section comprises of different subsections only. So my first subsection is history of computer under this main section, and you can add content in subsection only. For that, you will have to click on new unit. So new unit, uh, let me write some say for session 1, or maybe you can write a subtopic here also. So session 1, and now there are 4 things. Okay, so discussion forum, uh, text content, or some text or written content, quiz, for quiz assignments, this button is there, problem, and to add video content, this button is there. Okay, so for discussion forum, you will have to click on this button, discussion. To add any text content, you will have to click on this button. To add quiz, multiple choice, or descriptive, or an assignment, you will have to click on problem. And for uploading any video content, you will have to click on this button. Okay, let me choose start with this text content. So click on that HTML button and click on text. Okay, and edit. and you can write your content or copy paste any content uh, from anywhere where you have created your content. Like you can write anything. The computer is an electronic device or whatever. Right. Okay, so on. Write it and click on save. Uh, you can also edit it again and again. Okay, so session 1 text, and I have written this content. Okay, if you come back, now we have you will have to publish this, so click on publish. Okay, now the participants or your students can see this content. Publish this also. Okay, so now in now my course, this is a section introduction to computer. There is one subsection history of computer, and in this subsection there is one unit uh, called as session 1. It contains a text content. uh, Again, I will include one more content here, so let me click on this one, and I will say write session 2. Okay, or maybe anything relevant you can write here, and click on I will click on video. Okay, so video is there. This is the default video which will appear in every course page. Whenever you select video content, you will have to change this one. So click on edit, and if you have created your video and you have uploaded it on YouTube, then you can just paste your video link here. Okay, so let me search on YouTube the content. Say I will choose my content only. Yes. So for example, I want to include this one. So copy this link and come back. Come back to this one. So I will just paste my video link here and click on save. Okay, and click on publish button here, and if I click here, I'll go back to this page. Now you can see one more section is here. The first section was text content. The second subsection is the video content. Okay, in the similar way you can create different sections, subsections. So if the contents are related to this first introduction to computer unit, then you can add subsections and other things here. So let me now choose new subsection. uh, New subsection. Here I can like write generation of computers, and again I will choose new unit. Say I will write here first generation, and again I will choose some video content. Go for some other content, say this one, and copy. Click on this edit button and paste it here. Save and publish. Okay, if I go back, then now my course contain one section and two subsections: history of computer and generation of computer. In first subsection there are two units: session 1, session 2. Session 1 is text content, session 2 is video content. In second subsection I have one unit which contains a video content. Okay, so this is the first section. You can go for another section also. So for example, I will click on new section, okay, and I will write like say hardware, computer hardware, and similarly you can include different subsections also. Say for example, I will choose input devices as my first subsection. The second subsection, say I will write output devices. Okay, and maybe I can include one more subsection where I will write say storage devices. Okay, so now there are two sections: introduction to computer, and there are two subsections in this introduction to computer section. And another section is computer hardware, where there are three subsections: input devices, output devices, and storage devices. I have not added any content in this second section, but you can add contents in the similar way. Okay, so to add text content you will have to click on HTML button, and to add video content you will have to click on video button.